Hey guys, we're back with our 2016 Subaru. Today we are going to replace the battery. This one left her walking a few times, so we're gonna take it out and go get a new one and put it in. Good news is you can do the whole thing with a 10mm. Jeez, I always do this in like the busiest time of day, so there's cars everywhere. So we are gonna remove the negative cable first. That's going to eliminate any sparking. Come on. Why isn't that wanting to do what it's supposed to do? We're just going to leave it. Then we're going to remove, oh, there's my finger. Positive. Got the negative removed. Got the positive up and off. Now we just need to do the bracket. We got a 10 here and a 10 here. Move that. Not pay attention and drop your bar all the way down. I see it. It went down there. We'll fish that out with a magnet. Ah, we're back. We got our magnet to get our bar that we dropped for not paying attention. Ow. That motor's hot since you just drove here. Got it. Okay. Ooh. Now we should be able to just pull this out. Here, hold that. Aim. Here. Okay, so we got our new battery. It's down there. It needs to go in here. We got our bracket. Let's just have these hooky guys. They need to go in the holes, like right there. And this can go over the battery. And then the other hooky guy goes in a hole right here where my finger is, right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the car pass. Goodness gracious me. And then we're going to slide the battery in, get our back hook in, get this brace over it, and then we'll get everything else secured. It's set it like that. Battery up. Actually, Tara, let's do this. How about you just hold right there. I can use both hands. Set it in. Bracket guys gonna go under there. Down. Okay. Actually, we just have to unscrew this guy just a little bit. Nice. Yes. Unscrew from our negative cable there. Then get our bracket guy in. Perfect. Everything's down that way. Front bracket. Go in the hole. Keep tension on the bracket. Perfect. Tighten everything down so nothing wiggles and jiggles. You don't want wiggles and jiggles. Okay, so that's all tightened down. Battery's not going anywhere. So now I want to put positive on first. Remember, take off your plastic caps. Positive goes down. Come on. Okay, we got positive tightened down. Put our clippy back on there. We're going to push that back down on our stud as a retainer. This guy, maybe goes on negative. Boom! We have power once again. Another car. Okay, all done with a 10mm. That's me again. Okay, guys, if you like what you saw, thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time.